Did you know your body can keep burning fat overnight? Here are 3 tricks. What if I told you your body possesses a hidden, powerful ability to burn fat even while you are deep in dreamland? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? We are so often conditioned to believe that fat loss is all about grueling workouts, endless cardio sessions, strict, joyless dieting during our waking hours. We associate progress with sweat, effort, and the conscious choices we make from sunrise to sunset. But the truth, backed by growing scientific understanding, is that the 8 hours you spend in bed are not just for rest and recovery. They are a prime opportunity to optimize your metabolism and encourage your body to tap into its fat stores for fuel. The magic happens when you give your body the right signals before you close your eyes for the night. Imagine your body as an incredibly intelligent and sophisticated machine, one that is constantly working to maintain balance and efficiency. At night, when external demands quiet down, your body shifts its focus inward for repair and regeneration. This internal housekeeping requires energy, and with the right preparation, that energy can come from your stored body fat. Most of us unknowingly sabotage this potential every night with the wrong signals. Tonight, we'll unlock 3 simple strategies to turn sleep into a fat-burning session. Let's start with the biggest culprit, the #1 saboteur of your nighttime fat-burning goals: sugar. Specifically, we're talking about those late-night snacks. Bowl of ice cream on the couch, handful of cookies before bed, seemingly healthy sweetened yogurt. Think of this as a crucial breakup. It's time to lovingly but firmly tell late-night sugar that your relationship is over. This single change can impact your body composition more than almost any other nighttime habit. When you eat sugar close to bedtime, blood sugar spikes, your pancreas releases insulin, and excess energy gets stored, often as body fat. High insulin sends a clear signal: stop burning stored fat. Picture this: dessert at 10 p.m., bed at 11 p.m. Insulin is elevated as you try to drift off. For hours while you sleep, your body is in fat storage mode, not fat burning mode. Create a window of a few hours between your last meal and bedtime and make that meal low in sugar. Instead of sugary snacks, try chamomile tea, try peppermint tea, a small handful of nuts, or a spoonful of unsweetened almond butter. End eating feeling satisfied, not stuffed. During sleep, your body is supposed to enter a fasting state. First, insulin levels drop, the green light your fat cells have been waiting for. Then glucagon rises, telling your body to use stored fuel. Another major player is human growth hormone, or HGH. You release most of it during deep sleep. It supports repair, muscle growth, and boosts fat metabolism. Here's the kicker: high insulin blunts HGH release. That late-night cereal promotes storage and suppresses recovery. By skipping sugar, insulin stays low, glucagon mobilizes fat, and HGH surges. A powerful 1-2 punch. Clear the stage before the curtain rises, and your star performers can do their best work. This isn't deprivation, it's strategic timing, working with your body's rhythm to promote fat burning. And if you want to maximize your results, there are natural ways to keep your metabolism active even at night. Let's unlock the power of your sleeping environment. Now for the trick that might just blow your mind. It's simple, it costs nothing, and the science is fascinating. One of the most effective ways to increase your metabolism and burn more fat while you sleep is to simply turn down your thermostat. Sleeping cooler activates biological mechanisms that force your body to burn calories to stay warm. This is thermogenesis, your body's heat production. Research points to an optimal range between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 Celsius. A few degrees cooler than usual, yet comfortable once you're under the covers. Cool sleep also activates brown fat, the good fat packed with mitochondria that burns energy to produce heat. Repeated cool exposure can encourage browning, training storage fat to act more metabolically active. Night after night, you condition your metabolism, raising resting metabolic rate so you burn more around the clock. Best part? It's passive. Set it and sleep deeper while your metabolism gets an effortless boost. So tonight, be a little daring. Nudge that thermostat down a few degrees. You'll likely sleep more soundly and give your metabolism a significant all-night boost. Now let's power your metabolism's night shift with something even more fundamental. The third and final trick is often overlooked: proper hydration. Water is the medium for every metabolic process. Dehydration slows everything down. Even mild dehydration can trigger leg cramps, dry mouth, and snoring, and headaches, fragmenting your deep restorative sleep. Fat breakdown lipolysis literally requires water to occur. Front-load hydration, Drink most of your water in the morning and afternoon. Sip consistently. Avoid massive chugs at night. An hour or two before bed, have a small glass to top off, enough to fuel repair without 2 a.m. wake-ups. Hydration supports your brain's glymphatic cleanup crew, aiding clarity, memory, and next-day energy. It helps keep cortisol in check and supports melatonin production, the hormones that let you rest, repair, and burn fat. Think of hydration as lubricating your metabolic engine. Everything runs smoother all night long. Don't let dehydration be the weak link. Honor your body's need for water, and it will reward you. You'll sleep deeper, think clearer, and support a more efficient metabolism. Fast cut, montage of the 3 tricks in action. A massive, untapped potential for fat loss and rejuvenation lies in the hours you sleep. You can literally start tonight. Go to your thermostat and nudge it down a few degrees. Have herbal tea instead of a cookie. Make sure you've had enough water throughout your day. And if you want to maximize your results, there are natural ways to keep your metabolism active even at night. Check the link below if you want to learn more. Sweet dreams, and may your sleep be both restful and metabolically active.